首先係風暴消息。8號東南烈風或暴風信號喺晚上9點20分發出，表示本港吹東南風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。熱帶風暴塔巴已經增強為強烈熱帶風暴，喺晚上9點，塔巴集結喺香港之西南偏南大約250公里，即係北緯20.1度、東經113.5度附近。預料向西北或者西北偏北移動，時速大約18公里，靠近廣東西部沿岸。過去幾個鐘，塔巴繼續靠近廣東西部沿岸並有所增強，按照現時嘅預測，塔巴會聽朝日出前後喺香港西南面200公里內掠過，隨後喺廣東西部登陸。除非塔巴採取更接近珠江口嘅路徑或者顯著增強，否則改發更高熱帶氣旋警告信號嘅機會較低。8號烈風或暴風信號至少維持到聽日上晝11點。預料本港今晚同聽日風勢會進一步增強，有狂風大驟雨同雷暴，海有非常大浪同湧浪，市民請遠離岸邊，停止水上活動。受天文大潮同風暴潮嘅共同影響，聽朝本港西部沿岸嘅水位會升得比平常高，部分低洼地區可能會出現水浸，市民請採取適當嘅預防措施。
The number 8 southeast gale or storm signal was issued at 9:20 in the evening. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the southeast quarter. Tropical storm Tapa has intensified into a severe tropical storm. At 9 p.m., Tapa was centered about 250 km south-southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 20.1 degrees north, 113.5 degrees east, and is forecast to move northwest or north-northwest at about 18 km per hour, edging closer to the western coast of Guangdong. In the past few hours, Tapa continued to edge closer to the coast of western Guangdong and intensify. According to the present forecast, Tapa will skirt within 200 kilometers southwest of Hong Kong around sunrise tomorrow morning. It will then make landfall over western Guangdong. Unless Tapa adopts a track closer to the Pearl River estuary or intensifies significantly, the chance of issuing higher tropical cyclone warning signals is relatively low. The gale or storm signal, number 8, will remain in force at least until 11 a.m. tomorrow. Local winds are expected to strengthen further tonight and tomorrow. There will be squally heavy showers and thunderstorms. Seas will be very rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. Under the combined effect of spring tide and storm surge, the water level over the coast of western Hong Kong will rise higher than normal tomorrow morning. Flooding may occur over parts of the low-lying areas. Members of the public should take necessary precautions.